Hi everyone, welcome to Life Made Simply. My name is Nikki. In today's video, I want to share with you some ideas on how to take thrift store finds and turn it into your holiday decorations. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe to join the Simple Life Society, where we help each other with tips on how to simplify your everyday life. So in today's video, I want to talk about some thrift store finds that I found that I transformed into our holiday decor. It is great if you're on a budget or you really want to be creative, stretch that budget and make things really personalized. We really love shopping like at Goodwill and Value Village and thrift stores just around just to save some money, and I love just the thrill of the hunt, not knowing what you're gonna find and really repurposing items. So you can also find these items at other discount stores or your craft store, so don't be discouraged if you don't find similar items like these at your local thrift store. So be sure to always check the description box for my social media as well as links to the products in the video. So the first thing we have are these stocking hangers. I found these by the frames or the mirrors section, and I love that they're gold and they're really heavy duty and they're very good quality, and I only scored these for $1.99. It had a plain like generic photo holder thing in here, so all you have to do is take out the back and put whatever you want in here. So I want to keep these really simple, and instead of putting a photo, I typed out these letters on Word and printed it out and placed it in the frame. I wanted something script, really fancy and festive for the holidays, and it sits on our floating shelves above our couch very nicely. So we have M, N, and K for our family, and I love them. I love the touch of gold, and it's an easy way to really customize one of these. Next thing I have here is our Christmas wreath. I found this and I love that it was really affordable. So I got this wreath here for $5.99, and then I had a coupon for it, so I ended up only paying about $4 for this huge wreath. Now it didn't look like this when I got it. It had some other decorations on it, but I saw it for what it was. It still had the pine cones, so these pine cones are original, and then it had some red decor on there, which I didn't like, so all I had to do was simply pull it out and put in the decor that I wanted. So I didn't spend any extra money on putting the decor in here. I just used extra ornaments that I had for my tree. I just put them in here. All I did was use the wire hanger that I used to hang my ornaments and use it to twine it into the wreath. It's really easy. And I did the same thing with these custom bows. So if you have bows that you use for gift wrapping, you can definitely put it on your wreath. And these are the same bows that are in our tree, so they coordinate. And I also had some of these silver sparkly pine cones, so you can see there. So you're pretty much just spending the money on the wreath itself and then just customizing it to your own liking. And I found these adorable pieces, and look at this. This one lights up, has a switch on the bottom, and lights up, and it's like white ceramic. And I love that it was white and simple, but it flashes some like red and green, so it's very Christmas and festive. And then this one I paid just like $1, but it's just like a clear Christmas tree. I guess you can fill it with whatever you want, but I love that it's clear and kind of modern looking. So really just keep an open mind when you're shopping for these things and see how it fits into your decor. You don't need to get them brand new, especially since you're only having them out for a short time in the holidays. I don't want to spend too much since these are going to be put away in storage for most of the year. My favorite thing to hunt down at a thrift store are baskets. I especially love woven baskets or seagrass baskets, and there is one back there that I also got from the thrift store. They're just really easy for storage, and they're really affordable when you're finding them in the thrift store, and you can find some really cute, unique pieces. So I found this one. It is a wire basket. I love that it has the seagrass woven at the top and on the handles. So for Christmas time, I'm using it to hold a little festive pillow. And I had Santa hats in it earlier, and now that I have some of my wrapped gifts, I am just putting it in there. I love having the gifts that kind of go with your theme. This one's so adorable. So I put it right next to our tree on this table that we have, and I love that it is something that's thrifted and repurposed. And for this basket, you can use it all year long, just switching out the decor in it. But again, you can find a wire basket like this. Even if you have extra holiday ribbon, you could wrap the holiday ribbon around the wire basket. So this is a really easy way to add decor and display more decor items, like if you have some festive throw blankets or throw pillows that you want to display by your tree. As for lighting, I did get some really cute twinkling lights. They're the twinkling starry lights in warm white. And if you're looking for lights that don't need to be plugged in, you can find the ones that are battery operated. They're really easy to also intertwine in your wreaths or around a mirror. And again, they're really affordable, and I found mine at the thrift store. Also at the thrift store, we have these flameless candles. So these just have a switch and they give this warm light as if it's a real candle. It flickers just like a real candle. This is amazing if you don't want to light a real candle. These just give a really nice ambiance, and they're actually made of wax. So you can definitely find these at the thrift stores in packs and just add this to your decor. I would definitely suggest even tying another holiday ribbon around here just to match. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some tips or ideas on how to repurpose some thrift store or clearance finds into holiday decor. Please leave me a comment down below letting me know how you save money when you're decorating during the holiday season to share with the rest of the Simple Life Society. I would love to read your comments and get some ideas from you too. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!